So, Leon Bailey. Leon Bailey. This one is a funny one. Very, very funny. And what I find the most awkward is the fans' reaction for this one. I find their reaction way, way more awkward than the entire situation itself. Mixed reaction. JFF out. JFF suspend Leon Bailey. The coach sums it, the coach and them do whole heap of different sitting. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and thank you very much for tuning in. So apparently, Leon Bailey is not in the. I won't be selected for the squad is going to be announced today. So apparently, he won't be selected for the Nations League game. No, at this point in time, Leon Bailey is technically our best player, most informed player. So the expectations are that we will see Leon Bailey. He's well needed. He's vitally important. Very, very important for this particular game. Now, the worry is now is that why, based on all the reports, Leon Bailey is not in the squad. So all the fans gone into a fits. You know, like, it's not gonna work. JFF madness. JFF do. So I find it strange. For me personally, if I see the squad and Leon Bailey is not in there, I would be disappointed, and I would definitely want to know why Leon Bailey is excluded. But according to all of the reports, he's suspended due to breaking curfew. That's what all the reports are saying. Now, who is the suspension coming from? Is it the JFF or the coach? Based off the reports, it's come from the coach. No, I saw hearing some fans said, I'm not going to touch on the fans because somebody calls them when me get me and say, yo, this doesn't make sense. Many people really think about what them I say. But this is a brave move by Coach Hallgrímsson. Big move by Coach Hallgrímsson. And if Hallgrímsson is going to stand on his foot like that and stand and say, you know what, no more, we're not going to have it. If this is a repeated thing, not going to happen. If this is a continuous thing, not going to happen. And last night, I watched Ryan program, and funny enough, I'm going to be honest, I was watching program, but when me have the time. And I was pretty much disappointed with something when he said. And it technically say, if the JFF now operate professionally, or you expect the players them to operate professionally. I say, whoa. I say, here's a lot of persons are viewing. And if that is a message where you're going to send out. But that's what I say. Anyway, you just have to be careful with the message when you send out. But that statement is not him alone. It resonates with a lot of the fan base. So the whole issue is here now is pointing back towards the JFF when the coach stand their ground and said, no man, we're not having no more of this. I want to move this team forward, and this that you're doing is holding us back, and it's actually delaying the progress that we want to make. And because of that, we're gonna nip it in the bud early. We're going to cut it from the root, right? We're going to cut it through right now. Even if it gone too long, it's too long, stop it from right now. And the coach took a stand. And the coach take a stand at a point in which he's needed most. At that point where he's needed most. That's when the coach take a stand. At the point where he's needed, where Bailey is needed most. Now, you ever hear the term, when they say, shoot 1 to 1,000. Something like that. So if you're going to exclude the most important, our most informed player, or one of the most important players to the squad, at that point in time, what is the message you think the coach is sending? The coach is saying, hey, we are moving forward. And no one in this squad is superior to the squad. No one individual is superior to the direction that the team is going. No, that's the message that the coach has said. No, that not one. It doesn't matter who you are, because at the end of the day, next 5, 6, 7 years from now, somebody different will pop up. or somebody different can pop up tomorrow. That is football. And until some of us understand that the same persons then that we're glorifying now, 10 years from now, we're not going to see them. We're not going to see them. There was a Tapper Whitmore playing for the Reggae Boyz. There was a Black or Pearl playing for the Whitmore. They're not playing no more. And then man, there was hailed as practically gods of the team. Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. When Ronaldo they are Man United, practically a god at Man United. Can't do nothing wrong. When he was at Real Madrid, can't do nothing wrong. Lionel Messi at Barcelona cannot do anything wrong. But guess what? Their era is coming to an end. Which means that it doesn't matter how big you are not bigger than no team. The team will be here longer than you. You can be historic and set records in the team. But the team is going to be here longer than you are. So if Leon Bailey did something to deserve or warrant suspension, it's up on the coach to act. And if the coach don't act, that same incident will continue to fester. These bad behaviors or these issues will continue to fester. And some might say, why the coach decided to act? No. What if I know the coach know about it? That's the question. What if I know the coach know about it? Or probably not hear about it. I say, you catch it, you find it now. I said, no more of it. Remember, people, if we're approaching the World Cup, we're approaching the World Cup qualifiers. And if we want to be serious, all players, everyone, all members, even the kit man, have to be very, very serious about the direction that the team is going. Everybody. The supporters have to be on the same page. And I've seen it. I'm an Arsenal supporter. When Arteta come in and get whole bashing, but he make one thing clear, that this team is going in one direction. And if you're not dip on it, we're not keeping you. No matter how big you are, we're not keeping you. You could be the most famous player, could be the highest paid player. We're not keeping you once you're not on the same target. And if Hallgrímsson decides to take a stand like that, that is the professional thing to do. That is the professional thing to do. And I don't understand that. Oh, we want the organization to be professional. We want the organization to be professional. But yet still, the players, they can do anything that they feel like. Even if the organization is not professional, the players them come from a professional environment. They should be professionals. If that is the case, then since nobody is professional, we don't need them. We don't need the professional players them then. Since no one is going to act professional, because the JFF is not professional, we don't need no professional players. It's just like saying that when I was in the army, and because the people them deal with me good, yo me I go to know. Me I go to start boxing everybody because them now deal with me good. Me I deal with them good, me I act professional. And because the people themselves, them are chose to, them are spit by me and kind of stuff. Me just start walking and boxing everything me see. Makes no sense. Makes no sense. It makes no sense. If you're a part of a body or an organization, even if the organization is not operating in a certain manner, you have a personal responsibility for yourself and your image to operate in a particular manner. So, can you just imagine? Just imagine. Me find it strange also my times the fans operate still. But anyways, in my view, big step, big bold, extremely bold step by Hallgrímsson. Will it work in regards to sending a message? I personally think it will, because if the other players are looking at it and say, boy, if the coach can leave out this manner for doing that, that means that the rest of we are gonna walk on chalk line. So it must make everybody else get in order. It must naturally go get in there and say, no what? Hey, me not go chance it, Me not chance it, because that the man they get left out of the squad because of that. Just imagine if me do it, me not see back it. Me not see back my name on the squad. So we have to be responsible. We have to be responsible, and that includes all the big name players in the Reggae Boyz squad. We have to be, and that's just how it is. And you go find all different narratives that show. But as I said, Ryan and Bridget, be responsible with the things they say. Sometimes you have to think about some of the things they say. Sometimes be very, very responsible. Some of the supporters, them people sometimes have only if you think. Sometimes only if you think and understand. Say this is not about one person. This is not about one player. This is about the direction that we want our football to go in. This is about the direction we want our football to go in. And yes, we know say it's going to be difficult to play without him. But at some point in time, the coach will take a stand and say, you know what? These players, some of these players are doing too much, and I have to do something about it. That's just how it is sometimes. People, I might foolish me a chat. Let me know. Tell me what's in the comment section. Big up yourself, big up yourself in the comment section. Big up yourself, Ryan. Big up everybody. See you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV. We're out. Boom. God bless. Enjoy your day, people.